It's my simple summertime couscous salad, okay? Y'all like couscous?
Love.
I'm playing with pearl couscous today, okay?
No,
It's
I like
pasta.
pearl couscous.
Yeah, don't let it fool you. Right here, that's gonna go into my salad. I've got an English cucumber that I've halved, I've blocked off, and I've made some cubes out of it. And then the bag of those sweet peppers that you can get in the produce section right now. They've got yellow, orange, and red all in the same bag. I'm just chopping them down. And what I like to do is if you don't want the seeds, I'll show you how I like to chop it. I just kind of come in here and leave it intact. Make a couple of runs through it.
Controversial, Sonny.
I mean, you know, this is what our home cooks do.
That's how I cut celery.
Is this how you cut celery?
Absolutely.
You just leave the
I'm
top
too lazy.
intact?
I just go like this.
Yeah, you don't want it to spill out all on your board, so keeping it intact at the top really works.
I had no idea, Jeffrey.
Yes.
This is a
And then just run your knife through it. And by the time you get to the top with the seeds, you're good to go. All right, so I'm gonna get this all into a bowl. Now I've got my pot of water boiling here. Just get that pearl couscous and pay attention to what it says on the container as far as how much, how long. It always suggests a little bit of oil, so I'll throw that in there. And here's the pearl couscous. I love this salad because it's good, hot, warm, and cold, right? It's perfect for summertime, especially
And
if you're
room temperature.
Exactly. All right, so I'm gonna let this boil. And sometimes I just throw way too much water in there and I strain it out at the end. Big whoop-de-doo. I'm gonna show you how to make the dressing really quick. That's super simple. I'm gonna do some math, okay? Because to me, a dressing is kind of like a marinade. A lot of times in recipes, you'll even see them use the marinade as the dressing. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, so first I'm gonna start with S for Sasha, right? So that's gonna be the sweet. All right, so I've got some honey. Put that in there. Is that okay, Professor?
That's right.
Okay.
Honey is a S.
Okay, and then the A, that's gonna be the acid, right? Sasha,
Yes, correct.
right? So
Yes,
then I'm
correct.
gonna pull my orange juice,
My
Gigi.
favorite juice.
Listen, it's great for so many things, not
People
just
don't realize
drinking
that.
for breakfast. Yeah, it's acidic, it's sweet as well. So then now we're gonna go into the salty, right? We've done sweet, acidic, salty.
Yep,
Am I so far so good in my math
Very
class
good.
here? Okay, then
Nailing
the
it.
H, right? That's
That
heat.
is heat.
Okay, Dijon. It's a little bit spicy.
Nosy.
It'll hit you in the nose, yeah.
And Dijon works everywhere for everything.
Yeah.
Don't you worry.
Yeah, and then the allium. Ooh.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get a B+.
Oh, you don't have allium?
No, I don't. This is just,
okay, you
just
don't
a
have to
little
have
oil.
allium.
But this
right.
is not a marinade. This is not a marinade.
Interesting choice.
Now I'm gonna come through with some black pepper.
An extra H, I see.
Yeah, just call it sash.
Dr. Morrow, is this, how are we doing?
She's like,
This isn't really adding up, is
No, it's not working, it's not working.
You know,
just whisk it together. Okay, remember cucumbers and those sweet, colorful peppers that you get in the produce section.
Oh.
Great for Charlie on the grill. Then our couscous goes in.
Does it matter? Do you generally drop it in warm?
You can drop it in warm, then it's gonna soak everything up. I also say leave this in the fridge for a couple of hours and then all the flavors really start to marry. But if you're into it, you can just put it right on the serving table. I think a lot of times when you leave it in the fridge too, the cucumbers relax a bit and you end up with a nice homogeneous
I always think
crunch
that
all
a
around.
grain salad is, or in this case, a couscous salad, is such a good addition to any summer meal because you can make it in advance. If you're having people over, which usually summertime you're entertaining, make this ahead of time,
Yeah.
put it out as your side with something grilled. It always works.
All right, let me show you how to finish this up.
oh, that is colorful.
Just get it into the
Beautiful.
bowl. And then, Jeezy, I hope you know, when I use orange juice in a recipe, I'm always thinking about you. So I'm gonna finish this off with a finishing touch.
We have history with OJ.
We do, we do.
That's both an S and an H.
So then just take some oranges, like navel oranges,
It's so Ambrosia.
and just like take the skin off and just get the segments out, AKA supreming.
Well,
It's
you remember
like-
you used to go to a restaurant and they give you like a wedge of orange or circle of orange and like
They twist it up.
like a parsley or kale.
Yeah.
That was the garnish for every
Still
plate.
is
back.
in a diner.
Yeah?
Now, this is my
Fantastic.
finishing touch for my couscous salad for summertime. Basil and mint. And we're done.
Boom.
That's it.
Hey.